Set up a new Metamask wallet and add Binance Smart Chain in 3 minutes. The first thing you need to do is open Google Chrome and search the words Metamask Chrome extension. Choose Metamask from the search. Click Install Metamask to Chrome. Once installed, select Add to Chrome. Once downloaded, you will see the Metamask icon in the top right-hand corner of the Chrome window. The next step is to open Metamask and select Get Started. Select Yes, let's get set up. Select Yes, I agree. Now we pick a password, which must be at least 8 characters long. Once you have chosen your password, click Continue. The next step is where you get your unique seed phrase. Take a note of this phrase for the next step and put it in a safe place. If you ever forget your password, your seed phrase allows you to access your wallet. However, if you ever lose your password and seed phrase, you will never be able to access your wallet again. Select the words in your seed phrase in exactly the same order it was provided to you. Once completed, click Confirm. Congratulations, you now have your new Metamask wallet. Now we will add the Binance Smart Chain to your wallet. You will need this to be able to trade on the Binance Smart Chain. Select the top right icon in your wallet and then go to Settings. Networks. Add new network. Now you will need to input the values that will connect you to the Binance Smart Chain. You can find the details on funnymoney.com, but here is a screenshot of the details. Populate the fields as detailed for mainnet. Click Save, and great! You are connected to Binance Smart Chain. You will now see BNB as the native currency in your wallet. You will also be able to switch between the Ethereum and BSC network. For more videos about cryptocurrency, please visit funnymoney.com.